Blood pressure. Hi, it's Dr. Derek here. So we know that the heart does two things. It contracts to pump blood around our body, and it also relaxes to fill up again with blood. Now we call blood pressure the force at which the heart actually pushes out blood around the whole body. So we measure our blood pressure with one of these machines I've got here. So with these machines, there are only two numbers that you need to know. The two numbers that you need to know, basically the number at the top is the force at which the heart pumps blood around the body. Your doctor will refer to this as a systolic blood pressure. And then the number at the bottom, that's basically the pressure in the heart when it relaxes in between your heartbeats. And your doctor will refer to this as a diastolic blood pressure. So if the number at the top is more than 140 and the number at the bottom is more than 90, the doctor will refer to this as a high blood pressure. Okay, so why is high blood pressure so dangerous, and why is your health professional worried if you have a high blood pressure? Well, when your blood pressure is high, this reduces the elasticity of your blood vessels. This then decreases the flow of blood to your vital organs, such as the brain or the heart, and can lead to serious conditions. For instance, heart attacks and strokes. This is why knowing about your blood pressure and having this reviewed could literally save your life. So what can you do to help raise blood pressure? Well, this is where lifestyle advice comes in really handy, because there are so many things that you can do to improve on things. First on our list, stopping smoking is so important if you are a smoker. And I've created a video on this in one of our previous videos, so make sure you check this out. Now, smoking causes a high blood pressure because the chemicals within cigarette smoke will reduce the elasticity of your blood vessels. So they'll cause damage to your vessel walls and cause your arteries to be narrower, and in doing so, your blood pressure will be raised. Also, your diet is really important. An example being unhealthy diets filled with processed foods. Now, these kind of foods can result in high blood pressure for two reasons. Firstly, these processed foods usually have quite a high concentration of salt. Now, sodium in the body causes fluid to accumulate within your blood vessels. And when this occurs, you can imagine more fluid within your blood vessels means that there's going to be an increased pressure within them, leading to high blood pressure. Also, these processed foods will over the long term result in an increased cholesterol. Cholesterol can deposit and fill up in your vessels and clog up your arteries, leading to an increased blood pressure as well. So reviewing your lifestyle is really important in getting in control of your blood pressure. So things such as looking into your diet, avoiding fast foods and processed foods, all in the long term have a positive benefit on your blood pressure, and increasing your activity levels will lead to an increased efficiency of your cardiovascular system, as well as reducing how much fat and cholesterol accumulates in your body. Of course, there are some medications that can be used to also reduce your blood pressure levels, and these will work really well with any lifestyle changes that you make. Now, these medications generally work by reducing any excess amount of fluid that's within your blood vessels, and to do this to a safe level. So through this process, your blood pressure will return to a healthy level. But it's important to remember that, like anything, any medications will have their own side effects, and also some medications will need to be monitored on a regular basis. And this is why I was stressing the importance of putting in place those lifestyle factors and those lifestyle modifications. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. We've taken a look at a high blood pressure. We've looked at some of the things that you can do to reduce your blood pressure readings, and also a little bit more about the actual blood pressure reading itself and what is high and what is normal. Now, everything I mentioned before is so true. All the lifestyle changes that you can make will have such an impact on your blood pressure levels. So really keeping an eye on these things will keep you healthy and safe. As always, if you've enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe. Make sure that you check out some of our other videos that will help you to promote a healthier lifestyle. And as always, I truly care about your health, and I wish you the very best.